Don't take any action until you finish this video. When we are manifesting, we are told to take action, which is true, but we can't sit around on our couch and $1 million in a duffel bag just roll into our lap. Now, if this has happened to you, please comment down below. It's important that we learn the right action versus the wrong action. The world is filled with action. With work, most people are working jobs, taking nothing but action all day long, but still not manifesting what they want, because their action isn't going towards the desire that they want to manifest. No action is almost just as bad. Action doesn't mean to start an empire. Action can be as simple as buying a lottery ticket when you feel inspired to do so. It's simple. But not buying that ticket and not taking any sort of action will not bring you your manifestation either. So what do? You're probably asking. You have to learn to take inspired action. What is inspired action? It's when you feel excited to take an action step. You feel motivated and it just feels right. That doesn't mean that you won't get tired of doing it, but you know just deep down that it's the right action. It will be like your aha moment when you feel it. But just taking mindless action without knowing why you're doing it is like going outside and hammering the grass hoping for the best. Your action has to match your desire. If you want to make $1 million while working at your job, and you're putting all your effort into your job thinking that it's going to bring you your $1 million, it's not. Unless your job has a CEO position worth the salary that you want to make. Another thing is, you don't have to try to figure out what action to take. That part will come to you when it's ready. But what do we do while waiting? Just keep visualizing what you want and doing the steps I talked about in the other videos about ignoring that it's not there yet. So no action equals probably no desire manifesting. All action, no visualizing equals probably no desire manifesting. Visualizing in random action equals probably no desire manifesting. Visualizing in inspired action equals desire manifesting. This video is short because it doesn't have to be long to get to the point. If you feel inspired to start a certain business, or to get a ticket, or to do whatever it is that you want to do, to go talk to the girl or the guy, to switch up your diet, whatever the desire may be, do it if you feel inspired to. But don't think about how and then do it. Wait for the idea to pop in your head. Remember, it'll feel like an aha moment. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.